Alright, today is Zippo Saturday, and we're going to take a trip back to the 70s when there was actually some good music. Here's some of it. It's the very best of The Who, My Generation, Happy Jack, Magic Bus, all kinds of good music. Also, my favorite Who album. It's called Who's Next? Another excellent album, and one by the bass player John Entwistle. It's called Smash Your Head Against the Wall. Quite an interesting album. So let's take a look at the Zippo from the 70s. This is Fallout Shelter, the North American tour in 1973. Looks like it's street chrome, and this was made in February of '09. Good stampings on this. Got a real good sound. Lights up nice. Now this is a pretty collectible Zippo, but I'm not afraid to do a drop test on it. Try to land it in camera. Okay, so it passes the drop test nicely. That is the Who Zippo, commemorating the 1973 North American tour called Fallout Shelter. Definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.